this video, I'll show you how to crochet the extended single crochet stitch. This stitch is slightly taller than the single crochet stitch, and it creates a fabric that's softer, more flexible, and has extra textural detail. For this demonstration, I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and number 4 medium weight yarn, but you can use whatever yarn and hook size you have on hand. My tutorials are in US crochet terms. Let's get started. Into your foundation chain, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and if you were doing a regular single crochet stitch, you would yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. But for the extended single crochet stitch, you yarn over and pull through one loop only, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's an extended single crochet stitch. Let's do that a few more times. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. And once again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So let's take a look at the difference in height between the 2 stitches. This is your single crochet stitch, 1 row. This is your extended single crochet stitch. You can see there's a slight height difference in the 2, and there's more textural detail to the extended single crochet. This is 6 rows of each. The height difference is considerably more noticeable when you do more rows. And this extended single crochet swatch is a lot softer and more flexible than the single crochet swatch. The extended single crochet stitch is a simple variation of the single crochet, but it creates a softer, more flexible fabric while still being a very simple stitch to do. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more left-handed crochet tutorials, stitch guides, and beginner-friendly projects, and tap the bell so you don't miss a new video. Thanks for watching.